Hello everyone, friends on the Weiler channel. Today, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted files, folders on Windows 11. To do this, we go to any browser, and here we will need a request like recover. It seems like this. Yes, recover, that's what it's called. Go to the CC Cleaner website, click OK, and click download the free version. In general, we don't need anything else, just the free version. Click download here and open the installer. Here we press, well, here you can choose what I need. I don't need anything here. And click restore. Quickly installs usually. That's it. Click run and click next. Here we need to choose which ones are which type of application we want to restore. Well, let's take photos. Yes, give me photos, but you can take all the files if you're not sure, but I'll choose the photos. Select all files if they are any folders. Click next. Where the file was, select perhaps the disk, right? I'll choose, for example, a disk, for example, a C drive, or let's take photos, yes, since I've already selected the photos. Click next. Here you can also choose in the cart if it was there, if it was in my documents and so on. Well, I chose this location. Click next, and accordingly, if you, for example, now have a regular scan and does not find anything, you can do a deep scan. To do this, turn on and accordingly this checkbox, but it can take a very long time, up to 1 hour. So I don't need it yet. Press start and wait. Here we are after the end of the scan, respectively. Here we have, yes, files that you could find, respectively, that can be recovered. For example, do I have any red or yellow files here? Yellow means that they can be partially restored. Red means that they cannot be restored. But you can also here, for example, put up, respectively, those that can be restored completely. For example, all these files can be restored absolutely completely. That's it. That is, they are perfectly preserved. That's it. And so in order to recover the file, yes, click on respectively where we had it. This file, yes, select the desired file and click on the recover button. So you choose accordingly where. Let's restore it to the desktop. Here is desktop, click OK. So, and accordingly we restored the file. By the way, here you can sort them absolutely as you like. By the date of deletion, you can sort by weight. Yes, that is, and accordingly so on. I wonder what will happen if I choose to restore this file. Will he recover? Recover iDesktop. It is completely red, which means that it is very badly damaged, which means that it cannot be restored. Let's see what happens. Well, stupidly, he did not really recover. Got it. In general, that's all. Weiler was with you. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.